Welcome! In this updated tutorial, we will show you how to mention someone on Snapchat. Follow these steps to effectively mention a friend or contact in your Snapchat posts. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device to begin the process of mentioning someone in your Snap. Step 2. Capture a photo or record a video that you wish to share with your friends on Snapchat. Step 3. In the vertical menu located in the upper right corner of the screen, look for and select the T symbol. This symbol is used for adding text to your Snap. Step 4. Above your keyboard, you will notice an I symbol. Tap on the I symbol to activate it. When selected, the icon's background will turn white. When deselected, it will appear gray. Step 5. Next to the A symbol, swipe left to scroll through the list of contacts that are automatically generated. This list will display the Snapchat friends you have most recently messaged. Step 6. Tap on the name of the contact you wish to mention in your Snap. This will tag or mention the selected friend in your post, notifying them about your Snap. By following these steps, you can easily mention someone in your Snapchat posts. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you effectively tag your friends and contacts in your Snaps.